Hello guys, in this video I want to teach you how to remove Axe Spectrum to unlock the device blocked by Spectrum on Pixel 6a or any other Pixel. So I'm using a sample of my Pixel 6a to do this stuff, and I don't want to waste your time. I'm using a Microsoft launcher on the device. That is why it's not like the natural Pixel. So to get started, all we have to do is to uh, I want to change my launcher first. So I'm using the Pixel launcher right now. First of all we have to do is to look for the Play Store and download the Net Blocker app. So Net Blocker, I already downloaded it and it is what I'm using. So this is my Net Blocker app that I already installed and I want to update it. But because I don't want to waste your time on this video, all I have to do is to open my net blocker in my phone. So this is my net blocker open. Inside my net blocker that I already installed, I will have to block some apps from using my internet. So those apps that like device setup that is letting me see my Spectrum notification that my device is blocked by Spectrum. So these are the apps that you should block. You should block Android system. Well, you might, even if you unblock the Android system, it will work. But I unblocked my Android system and my settings so that the device will not use it to update my block system, my SIM system. So now you go and look for all this stuff. You unblock mostly the device setup and the device policy should be blocked by the net blocker. Okay, so to unblock and unblock something, it is very easy. Let's say I want to block the 1s bet there. I just press it and I already blocked it. So when you press the stuff, you block, you press it again, you unblock. It is very simple to block and unblock. And don't forget to, you see this on and
If you
off.
invested $0 for 20 years, you'd have $0. But if you invested $5 a day for 20 years at a hypothetical 8% annual return, you could have around $90,000. So here's how Acorns can help.
Oh, because I'm using a free app. So you see this, that's how to on and off it. So I off the 1xbet. Now, if after turning off my net blocker, if that I didn't activated the airplane mode, my device would have been blocked at immediately. So I just click on.
If you invested $0 for 20 years, you'd have $0. But if you invested $5 a day
So
for
after I
20
click
years
on that
at a
on there,
hypothetical 8% annual
I will
return,
go back. I can see my keys there. I go back and activate airplane mode. Make sure to activate airplane mode before you will enter inside the repair mode after setting up our net blocker. So can we go? Let's go and to activate repair mode, you just look for airplane mode. Airplane mode. You just look for your airplane mode or go to settings and find your airplane mode. So after activating our airplane mode, we go back to the settings and we look for the repair mode. So you can just search for repair mode in your settings search bar and enter the repair mode. Seriously guys, I won't enter this repair mode with you guys because my phone will automatically shut down. So I'll tell you what to do. When you enter the repair mode, you see that you have a 2 gig free storage to be able to open the repair mode. So when you click on enter the repair mode, those who have a PIN and password can enter the repair mode easily by using their password. So I activated a pattern unlock, so I can't use pattern unlock to enter the repair mode. That's why I can't enter the repair mode here. So when you open your repair mode with your password, you just follow the information and open your repair mode with your password. Enter the repair mode. You will see that your mobile network is working inside the repair mode. If it doesn't work, you should restart it. So when you restart it again, it should work. So when you notice that you don't have Ask Spectrum in your repair mode anymore, you will now exit repair mode. So if you want to exit your repair mode, you will have to put your password again. So you put your password and exit the repair mode again. Now, after exiting the repair mode, your device will restart. And when it restarts, it will come back like this. It will come back like this. Make sure your airplane mode is not yet deactivated. So when your device come back like this, you just unlock it. After unlocking it, make sure you have your net blocker turned on. And now we should go to settings, network and internet again, and we go to VPNs. What we want to do right now is to go to the VPN settings and look for our net blocker. So our net blocker settings, I click on the settings icon. Right now, I want to always on VPN. That's the most important thing. You click on always on VPN. You activate always on VPN, and you will see your VPN key at your notification side. So after that, right now, all you have to do is to uh, switch off your airplane mode. So that's what I will do right now. I switch off my airplane mode, and now I can see I have a network on my device that I can use to call, and it won't say blocked, SIM blocked, or SIM emergency. It will say SIM blocked or emergency. So thank you guys, and have a wonderful day. So if you see that it solved your problem, please comment below on whatever difficulties you find. I want to know. Thanks. Mwah.